Okay guys, here's a real quick video. I've been answering this question, it seems like in multiple places throughout the building, and I want to make sure that we're doing something correctly inside of Schoology. So the questions I've been getting is one, how do I get rid of that pop-up window that shows like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the percentages when you're in the grade book? And two, why when my kids look at their grades, are they seeing a letter grade and percentages and not their raw score? Okay, and they both come down to the exact same problem that your kids are experiencing that you're experiencing, and it's a one little tweak to how you are entering assignments in. Okay, so we're going to go into the grade book and we're going to go look at the grade setup. And earlier this fall, you were asked to create an additional grading scale. So over here under scales, you probably created one that may be your name or something, and it looks something like this where you have your letter grade and your percentages and how that kind of works. Now that scale, once you create it, really is only needed in one location. Okay, so the only place you need to put that grading scale that you put in is down here where it says final grade settings. That's the only time you need to enter that in under this drop down menu, as long as you're doing numeric grades. Okay, when you go into your assignments, and if we jump out here now and go into some actual assignments, and we go to, for example, this assignment I'm doing, and I go to edit this. When you are creating an assignment and you want to score it, the scoring system should stay numeric. Okay, and what that is it's telling you to use numbers. So basically, it's a 5 out of 10, an 8 out of 10, a 9 out of 10, a 2 out of 2, whatever it is, and it will just scale it numeric. Okay, if you click your grading scale here, it will still grade it properly. The difference is instead of doing just raw numbers, it's going to always refer back to a percentage and a letter versus raw numbers. Now we're used to using raw numbers, and that's what we're kind of used to here. So that's the one change you got to make is on your assignments, instead of choosing your grading scale, choose numeric. Now, if you're doing something fancy where you aren't going to use numbers and you want to use letters for grades or words for grading, that kind of stuff, come see me and I can help you work with that. But for most of us who all of our assignments are points based at a certain amount of points, the numeric scale is the way to go here. Okay. If you go in and change that now for the assignments you've already created, it should not change your grades at all. It'll just change how the students see it, and it also will by default get rid of that pop-up window that is in your gradebook also. All right, guys. Hope that helps you out. If you have questions, come see me. Thanks.